Hello, this is my project car store. In this project, I have to implement two models, car model and order model. We have to follow certain order for the generic error response. And I have to create some API endpoint. And we have all the API endpoint listed on this README file. Now let me show you my project. Let me show you the folder structure. First, I have the source. Inside source, I have config where I have the informations for the MongoDB setup. Then I have module, and we have app.th and server.th. Inside server.th, we have created a server. Inside app.th, we have created Express app, and we have imported app to this server. And here we're running our server. And here we have our module. We have two component of our module, car and order. Inside car, we have total 6 separate file. We have controllers, interface, a model, route, service, and validation. And for order, we have controller, interface, model, route, service, and validation. In our interface, we have iCar. This is our interface for car. And we have our model. In our model, we have created Mongo's model, a car. We have here a route. We have also here, we have controller. Then from here, we use the service, the car service, right? And we have here route. We have our API. We have used here using middleware. And we have our order. We have controller, interface, model, route, service, and validation. I'm using Joy package for validation purposes. This is my project. Now I'm gonna show you how my project works with the API. Here I have some text so I can start. I have deployed my app on Vercel so I can start testing it. Now we're going to test our API. So this is our first API. So this is post API. We're going to create car. Let's click on send. The car created successfully. Our second API is this API. And also here we cannot add any name we want here in the category. We cannot add. It will gives us a validation error. Our next API is this. So let's paste here. Here instead of category, here in the place of category, we can use the name of Toyota, a brand name, model name, or category name. If we use here Toyota, it will return all the car where the car has the brand name, where the car have the brand name Toyota. So let's click on send. Here actually we should use get. So let's send it. It's written all the car where the brand name is Toyota. For model, let's select it. Let's use here. It's written all the car with the model, with this model, okay? And if we select SUV, then it will gives us all the car where we have the category SUV. If we use here sedan, then it will gives us all the car where the category name is for which the category name is sedan. Now our third API. This is our third API. So let's test it. Here we have to select car ID. So let's select one car ID. We have to find out the car by ID. Okay. Send. We see we get it's failed to retrieve the car but why it says object ID failed for. Okay, let's try it. Let's try to send it again. Okay, we get it. We here we had some mistake here maybe. So it's returned the car with the get ID. Then update. We're gonna update our car with the car ID. So this is the car ID. Let's update this car, and we have the information here. We're gonna change the price to 2700, the price to 2700, and the quantity to 30. So let's paste here, and let's click on here. It should be put for update, send. We see that the quantity is 30 and price is 2700. Then our delete. For delete method, we're gonna select here delete, and if we click send, it will delete the car with this ID. Then the post method, we're gonna create order. Let's select it. We're going to create order. So here post, let's select this JSON, and we're going to click on send. It's created. Something went wrong. Car cannot found. Here something is wrong. We have here this API/orders post. Let's click here again. Okay, that means this car not exist in the database, right? That's why it gives us this error. So first we have to use here, we have to get all the cars. Let's get the car first, and let's select it. Let's update this car. Okay, now we're going to use here post, and here it should be orders. Let's send it. The order created successfully. And the very last one is the revenue. You have to find out the revenue, the total revenue we have in the order. If we click on send, here it should be get, not post. So if we click on send, it gives us total revenue is 30,000. And this is my project. All the functionality are working as expected. Thanks for watching this video.